Amid the ongoing protest by India's top wrestlers against the Wrestling Federation chief's alleged sexual misconduct, the Supreme Court has now sought a response from the Delhi police. This after the Delhi police refused to register an FIR on the complaint of the wrestlers who have accused WFI chief and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Singh of sexually harassing them. The court observed there are serious allegations that have been made in the petition by wrestlers who have represented India in international games. These allegations are about sexual harassment meted out to them. The matter requires consideration by this court. The court has also ordered that the names of the 7 complainants be redacted or removed from judicial records to conceal their identities in the sexual harassment case. The matter will now be heard by the top court on the 28th of this month. 7 women wrestlers, including a minor, are complainants in this case. And this is the second time that the wrestlers, who include Vinesh Phogats, Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia, are protesting at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. In January this year, they had called off their protest after assurances from the sports ministry that appropriate action would be taken. A committee headed by Olympic medalist boxer MC Mary Kom was set up to probe the allegations. The panel submitted its report in the first week of April. Its findings have not been made public yet. And as we said, not even an FIR has been lodged. There is now political support pouring in for the protesting wrestlers. The All India Mahila Congress joined the protesters on Monday, asking why is the government protecting the BJP MP instead of punishing him. The Beti Bajao slogan of the BJP sounds hollow when you see sexual predators in the BJP ranks, says the Congress. Former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda has said he will meet the wrestlers. His son and Congress Rajya Sabha MP Dipender Singh Hooda have demanded an FIR. The Aam Aadmi Party says the union sports minister should be ashamed for failing to provide a conducive environment for wrestlers to play. Former Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik has also lent his support to the wrestlers. The question is, how can the police refuse to even register an FIR despite the country's medal-winning wrestlers making such a serious allegation? Why is the sports ministry silent on the issue? Why have the findings of the committee report not been made public yet? Is Brij Bhushan Singh being protected by political patronage?
जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है तो क्यों बोला जाए? जब मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है तो कैसे बोला जाए? आरोप में कोई दम है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मामला है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट तय करेगा। कोई दम है आरोप में? हो गया भैया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जब मामला है तो हमारे कहने से थोड़े होगा।
जब मैं रिपोर्ट पढ़ रही थी तो हालांकि मैंने 1-2 इशू मैंने उस पे मतलब उठाए और उन इशू के ऊपर उन्होंने दरकिनार करते हुए उन्होंने फैसले लिए। और जब रिपोर्ट को मैंने थोड़ा सा ही मैंने पढ़ा था, यहाँ तक कि पूरी रिपोर्ट भी नहीं पढ़ने दिया गया, थोड़ी रिपोर्ट मैंने पढ़ी थी। उसके बाद सडनली एक अधिकारी ने मेरे हाथ से रिपोर्ट छीन ली। तो मतलब बहुत बड़ा मतलब मेरे लिए भी थोड़ी सी ऐसा लगा कि मतलब ये क्या तरीका है, इतना मिसबिहेव जो कि मेरे साथ किया गया था कमेटी मेंबर होने के नाते, क्योंकि जितना अधिकार और कमेटी मेंबर का था उतना ही अधिकार मेरा भी था उस सब चीज़ के अंदर। और उन सब के बाद मैंने कमेटी के अंदर जो रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है उसके अंदर अपनी आपत्ति और अपने विरोध के साथ मैंने रिपोर्ट साइन करके दी,
जिसमें हमने डायरेक्शन मांगी थी कि अक्यूज्ड ब्रिज भूषण सिंह सरन, जो रेसलिंग फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट है, उसके खिलाफ FIR दर्ज की डायरेक्शन सुप्रीम कोर्ट दे, क्योंकि 21 अप्रैल को शाम को कंप्लेंट दी थी। जो सारे ये ओलंपियन मेडलिस्ट हैं, एशियन चैंपियनशिप में जिनके गोल्ड मेडल्स आए हैं, कॉमनवेल्थ में जिसके गोल्ड मेडल आए हैं, वो सारी लड़कियां सामने आई हैं ये कहते हुए कि हमारे जो ये अक्यूज्ड है इसने हमें सेक्सुअली हेरेस किया है, मॉलेस्ट किया है, एक्सप्लॉइट किया है। इतने सीरियस एलिगेशंस के बावजूद भी दिल्ली पुलिस इस केस में FIR दर्ज नहीं कर रही थी। इसलिए ये सब रेसलर्स को सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दरवाजा खटखटाना पड़ा। और आज कोर्ट ने आज कंप्लेंट्स पढ़ी सील्ड कवर खोल के, और पढ़ के उनको लगा कि मामला सीरियस है, इसलिए उन्होंने दिल्ली सरकार को, दिल्ली पुलिस को नोटिस किया है और इस फ्राइडे को तक उनका जवाब मांगा है।
You know, you mentioned that the sports authority officials went to meet these protesting wrestlers yesterday. This after the protesters gave a call to political parties saying all of you are welcome, and there was support extended by several political parties, as I mentioned at the start of my show. And then I think it's absolutely appalling and really insults the intelligence of ordinary people for you to say, for the sports ministry I mean, to say that we cannot approach the Delhi police, we cannot ask them to register an FIR. At the end of the day, even if an ordinary person walks up to the police, Neha, it is their responsibility to pay heed if a serious complaint is being registered. And do we need to remind the sports ministry that they're part of the union government, and the Delhi police at the end of the day report to the home ministry in the union government? And if such is the state of affairs that India's star athletes who've won medals for us at the Commonwealth Games, in the Olympics, find it difficult for the Delhi police to take them seriously, one shudders to think about what an ordinary citizen goes through, in their dealings with the police. But coming back to Brij Bhushan Singh, a lot is being said, Neha, about how this man is, getting away so far because he is protected by political patronage.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's not far from the truth, is it?
No, not at all. I think this is out there for everybody to see, and this is not the first time that he's come under controversy. There have been several instances. I remember a couple of years ago where he slapped an athlete during the national games. Nothing was done. This was caught on video, and nothing was done about it. There are several other cases against him. Of course, he's not been convicted in any of them, but there have been allegations before. There's an attempt to murder allegation against him. So this is not just, the first controversy that Brij Bhushan Singh finds himself in. Now, I also wanted to bring everybody's attention to the letter that Sports Ministry wrote to the IOA. Now, what has happened, and I'd like to tell all our viewers is, Neha, that they first went to the sports ministry, the wrestlers, right? And they said that, look, this is what he's been doing. We want some action taken. Sports ministry formed the oversight committee. Oversight committee gave their report in the first week of April. Like I said, it's a 500-page report. Babita Phogat was included in that committee because the wrestlers weren't happy with Yogeshwar Dutt being part of it because he's close to Brij Bhushan Singh. Remember, Babita Phogat herself is a BJP MLA, right? Now, things get even more complicated. This report is submitted, and what we get to know from our sources is that there is no clear finding of sexual harassment, that most of these wrestlers haven't really come out and spoken very openly about what was the nature of that harassment.